Just another uneventful day in Syracuse.
Frost?
You know, I stood here with a woman once. She looked over the ocean and wished she could sail beyond the horizon. She saw such wonder.
And what happened to this woman?
She got her chance. She sailed the seas, and she fell in love.
I finally figured out what you guys are. You're the heart.
Proteus,
Marina, follow your heart. Mine is here in Syracuse. Yours is sailing with the next tide.